Hello guys, welcome back to my channel Golden Nanotech. Today I have a laptop HP, this ZBook Studio G3, this model laptop, and this laptop battery is broken. Battery is damaged. So you can see here is the laptop model. So this laptop battery is not working. So I have another battery. So now I will open and replace the battery. So show you how to replace the battery. This model laptop, you can see all this laptop have some sticker, and inside sticker have the screw. Okay, so first step, first you have to remove the screw sticker. Okay, all the sticker you have to remove. To open this screw you need a star screwdriver like this. So I have a star screwdriver and I check to remove. So guys, I have the multi screw, this link, and this one of the number screw is opening. So you can find this in the any electric shop or computer mobile shop like this, the screw. There is no number. So guys, after remove this 4 screw, you have to remove this part. This is the first part, and after that you have to remove this also. Here is some few screw to remove this another body. So also you have to remove this 3 screw, 1 2 3. After remove the screw you have to take up this body part. Okay guys, and now here is our laptop. So here is the 2 hard drive M.2, you can see, and here is the RAM. Here is another slot for RAM. Here is the Wi-Fi connection. This is the battery. So we have to remove the battery screw, and you need a star screwdriver to remove the battery. So I have to remove battery now. And there have 3 screw only. So now I will remove the battery. So very easy to remove the battery, and I have the new battery. You can order from online. This is the battery model number, you can see. So I will check now the same model. Yes, I hope this the battery is same model. So here is the old battery, this is the new battery, and now I will return back the new battery. Connect the battery, and then I return this 3 screw here. Okay, here is the one screw, another screw this side, and the other screw is this side. It's almost done. Return back this here inside the battery. So I will return this cover first and remove. Here is the few screw. First of all I will check the battery. Okay guys, now we can see the laptop is working and battery is good. It's 74%. And now I remove the charging socket, and you can see the laptop is working battery perfectly. So guys, if you have your laptop like this problem, do not working the battery, you can replace the battery any model laptop. So this model laptop battery is inside. So now is all the new models laptop is battery inside like this. You have to as exactly model number you have to check, and you can replace the battery. This is little bit expensive, so you can find in the online shop or any computer shop nearby you. So thank you guys. Please like, share and subscribe my channel and hit the bell icon for next video notification. Now I will return back all this like before. So thank you. Have a nice day.